Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I have come back with an awesome biryani recipe that is Muslim style mutton biryani. It's a very popular South Indian, that is Madrasi style Muslim mutton biryani I am sharing today. I have taken mutton, that is goat meat it is. To that I have added salt and yogurt. I will tell all the recipe for 1 kg biryani, but I have made little less than that. Onions should be chopped this way in lengthwise. I have taken oil and ghee together. I have added whole spices, cinnamon, cardamom, black cardamom, cloves and shahi zira and 2 bay leaves, followed by onions. Nicely fry the onions until golden brown. After that I am adding ginger garlic paste, and also now I am adding chili paste. For 1 kg biryani, 250 grams of ghee and oil together. To that we have added 100 grams of all whole spices and 100 grams of ginger, 100 grams of garlic and green chili paste. 5 to 6 green chilies are in paste form, or you can add green chilies whole itself. To that I have added tomatoes. For 1 kg we will be adding quarter kg of tomatoes, and also chili powder and salt to taste. Also I added little bit of coriander and mint leaves. For making 1 kg biryani, you should take 1 kg plus quarter kg of mutton, then only the taste will be ultimate. To that I also added 1 full cup of yogurt and nicely give it a good mix, and I am making it in Instapot. If you are cooking it in the cooker, give 4 to 5 whistles, but in Instapot 15 minutes I have kept, and you can see nice. The mutton is soft and tender. Rice I used in this is India Gate XL. This is nice long grain rice, for which I have used 1:2 water. I added salt and pepper as well. Soak the rice for half an hour. When the rice starts to boil, at that time we will add the entire mutton mix which we prepared. I am adding it right away at this time, and I will be waiting for a nice 1 full boil. In this I will add lemon juice also. 1 full lemon for 1 kg. Little bit of fresh mint also I added. Now don't mix too much, just here and there, feather touch you should mix it. I am waiting to see whether the full liquid is evaporated, whether the rice has been nicely getting cooked and water is getting evaporated. At that point we will go for the next step. At this point, when the water is getting evaporated, we will add the food color. Now you can see very less water. At this time I am adding food color. This is optional when you are giving this biryani for any special table or preparing it for a big day like Eid or Bakrid or any party. Definitely add this color. If you have not mixed ghee in the oil first itself, at this point you can also add ghee. Flip the rice like this way very gently. Do not flip it too much, otherwise your rice will break. So that the color will go inside, and when you serve it will have nice layers of different colors. For that only I am just flipping it little bit. Now again you can see after 10 minutes when we open, the rice is well done and it is awesome. You can see the layers when you flip the rice inside, little bit light, little bit dark and little bit orange. The rice when you serve will look very beautiful. One last tip I will give for this biryani is serve only after half an hour to 1 hour when it is cooked. Then only each and every grain of the biryani will be set and it will not break even if you flip the biryani while serving. This is the perfect recipe for preparing Muslim style mutton biryani. It is a very popular biryani and very tasty too. In every Muslim house, whenever there is a big party or any Eid, Bakrid, or even when there is a wedding, this is the biryani we prepare. I am sure you will try this recipe on your Eid day. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I will be back with another awesome recipe. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.